afternoon, Stampers. This is Mary from LadyBugCards.com. And I want to talk to the beginning Stampers today about this little card right here, where it says, "You're never too old to make a wish." If you remember my first two videos, we used a combination of stamp sets to make birthday cards. Well, what I want to do today is just use this particular stamp set, Broadway Birthday. And it's a photopolymer stamp set, and it has a lot of different sentiments that you can use. We're going to use about 6 or 7 of the elements that's in this stamp set to recreate this card. Come and go with me. In order to recreate this card, you will need the following supplies: Tuxedo Black Memento ink, Balmy Blue stamp pad, Mango Melody stamp pad, Clear Block D, a note card, Stella pen, and also the Broadway Birthday stamp set. So the first one stamp that we're going to use is "You're Never Too Old to Make a." And we're going to try and put this straight on our block. Remember, the flat side is against the block. Another thing that you could do is to draw a straight line on your note card, using a light pencil, and that will help you also to make sure that your stamping is as straight as possible. We're using the Tuxedo Black Memento ink. And be careful when you touch your card and touching the ink pad also, because sometimes straight ink will get on your project, and you don't want that to happen because you don't want to have to do it over because of straight ink. So eye it, what they call eyeball it. I try and eyeball it to see if I'm putting it down straight. And looks like it did. We'll see in a moment. Let it sit there for a moment. Take it off. Looks pretty straight to me. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the stamp, the candle stamp, and also the flame. So I'm putting them both on. I put the candle stamp on one side and the flame on the other side. Okay, the candle stamp is in black, the Tuxedo Black. Okay, and you notice here, if you can see it, I've got some ink right here on the side. So I'm gonna take my finger, and I have a cloth that's sitting here, and I'm gonna wipe it off with that cloth, but I'm gonna be very careful about touching my card. Okay. So about center here. Looks good. All right, now we're through with the Tuxedo Black, but we want to use another color now, and that color is the Mango Melody. So we grab that color, open it up, and remember now we have the flame on the other side. So tap, 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 just to get the flame part. And we want to also put it at the top of that stem. So it looks like it's coming out of that candle. Okay. All righty, looks good, looks good. All right. Then the next thing is to take these two off and take our other piece, which is the wish stamp. And that is a fairly big piece, but it will fit on your block. Just put it on there as straight as you possibly can. And you know what? Use the edge of your block as a guide. if you can't get it straight, just use the edge of the block as your guide, because the block itself, the edge is straight. So let that be your guide. Now, there's two pieces to this. There's this solid piece, and then there's also a dotted piece that says wish. So I'm going to put that on the other side. But I'm going to put it like this because I'm not going to use the edge to see if it's straight or not, because something else is going to show me that. All right. So this is the piece we're going to use right now. And we're going to use Balmy Blue. Okay, get good coverage. And I want to put this not too far away from the candle itself. Now, it's up to you, but as straight as I possibly can. Okay, now I'm going to cover up, or I'm going to close up my Balmy Blue and take back out my Memento Black ink and use it for this dotted side. So tap, 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 tap. Okay, looks good. Now, this will fit right over those letters. Fit right over those letters. So all you have to do is line this up, align it with the letters for wish, and you'll see it when you're using it, what I'm talking about here. Okay? You're never too old to make a wish. Before we call this card completed, we need to take our Wink of Stella and add some sparkle to the flame. After that, we will put a sentiment inside our card. If you want to learn more about how to make this card and others, please go over to my YouTube channel at www.ladybugcards.com and be sure to subscribe. Also, take some time to look at the Broadway birthday stamp set. You will find that it is a really good stamp set to purchase and have in your library. Hope to see you again soon. Bye now.